Let's talk some crypto as we get into today. How you guys doing? Wait for more people to get into the chat. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay, for those of you that are in here. Also, as you guys get into this live, make sure you all smash that like button. Appreciate you guys stopping out. How's everyone doing on this Tuesday? Let's talk some crypto. Can you guys hear me okay? Let me know down below in the comments. Let's try to get this squared away before we get more people filing in. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's get those thumbs up here going. We're gonna get a few more people into the chat before we get going. We're gonna talk market, see exactly what's going on. Kind of a mixed bag. We're 2 weeks away from the Bitcoin halving, so I want to talk a little bit about that. Also, I want to know what you guys are on. Kind of just rattle them off. Just drop down below in the comments. Projects, cryptos, concerns. We're gonna go down the list. We're gonna go talk about the top 10, top 25, top 30 in market cap. Look at the market as a whole. It's kind of a red day. Okay, we're seeing a lot of crypto down. Only a few that are into the green. Kind of something where it's interesting as we approach that Bitcoin halving, like I was talking about. And we're going to talk about that a little bit more as well. Okay, so as we get more people filing into the chat, like I said, make sure you guys all subscribe and please smash that like button. Let's try to get at least 10 thumbs up before we get going here. But welcome in. Hope everyone's doing well. Tuesday, getting ready for a little lunch break here. Probably a lot of you guys are. Make sure you guys drop below in the comments. Let's get it going. Let's talk about what you guys want to talk about. So I'm here basically to have a little Q&A here in the afternoon. We got over 25 people live in the chat. Appreciate you all stopping by. Like I said, taking time out of your day. Make sure you all smash that like button, though. That's a big one. If you can, guys, we need to get at least 10 thumbs up before we start going. But yeah, so I think we'll get underway. Only one thumbs up. Oh, we got two on the board. That's what we like to see. Okay, that's what we need. Keep that ball rolling. But we are going to talk some meme coins, some large caps, right? Projects you guys are in. Please feel free, drop them down below. I like this kind of way of talking because you guys can let me know some stuff that I don't know. And I've actually made some money trading crypto with some of your guys' suggestions, so I appreciate it. But yeah, we've had a little bit of a Solana outage. That seems to be subsiding. Solana meme coins, not tapering off, but all eyes are going to be on the Bitcoin halving here. Okay, so it's kind of funny. We got that on April 20th, right? So I don't know what the deal is. Everybody who created crypto must have been in that national global holiday. Maybe it isn't a global holiday, but 420 for those of you out there, it's very fascinating. Doge Day, Bitcoin halving. Whether that goes down on 420 is going to be funny, but I'm kind of interested to see what happens for sure, because the funny thing is, and I've talked to you guys about it in a lot of my previous videos, all right, we've talked about the Bitcoin halving historically. So the last couple halvings, Bitcoin hit all-time high 12, 16 months after the halving, right? This go round, we have the halving happening after Bitcoin hit all-time highs. So that's kind of crazy. And from all accounts, what we're seeing here is that there's a lot of bullish momentum for Bitcoin, kind of separate from what we're seeing from the halving, right? This is something where we're looking at, it's a lot of macro factors, not just what to do with the ETFs. And, you know, that's kind of how we're looking at Bitcoin right now. Down 3.8% on the day, 68.9 for Bitcoin, right? But we started off the day about basically 72,000. So we had a little bit of a surge, a little bit of a sell-off, and it's very fascinating to see what's going to happen because, you know, the ETFs are kind of by the wayside now. All eyes are on the halving, And, you know, a lot of people think Ethereum, they're eyeing Ethereum to get up to 4K. I mean, there's some really bullish talk going out in crypto. Me, personally, I've been trading meme coins, probably more so. I haven't really been adding to any of my long positions. Kind of swing trading a little bit of the other big caps, such as, you know, usually I find myself doing that with the actual Solana more so than anything. But what's going on, guys? We got 50 plus people live in the chat. I want to see at least 20 thumbs up if you guys can. I appreciate it. That's a huge one here for us on YouTube. The more thumbs up we get, the more love YouTube shows. So it's kind of the algorithm and how it works for those of you that do not know. For those of you who do not know how to show some love, you got to double tap the screen and or I think it's 3 white dots on your screen if you're on your mobile device. But I want to just talk to you guys a little bit as we get into almost midweek, right? April 9th. What cryptos are you guys buying right now? Let me know down below in the comments. And then I'll get into some of my plays that I've been on as of recent. Some of the success stories out there, some of the failures, and we'll go down that perspective. But who do we got in this chat? Let me see some. I got to get some comments so that way I can tell who exactly I'm talking to. A lot of times the chat fires up before we get the people in the building, so it's kind of been interesting. Some of the regulars stopping on through probably will get that one back. But yeah, it's kind of been a mixed bag because I don't really get the full effect of what's happening within the market because if you guys have been trading meme coins, it's been absolutely nuts. And a lot of times, you know, you could be in a project and have a 20-25% gain overnight, 30%, 40%. And a lot of the cryptos that we're in from a large cap perspective, they're either down or they're flat. So it's going to be interesting. Right now, I think we're going to see a little bit of a holding pattern. As always, though, not financial advice. I think we're going to be kind of in a holding pattern as we await for the halving. I think that's what all eyes are on. Institutions, whales, everybody's just kind of holding tight. I think we got a little less than 2 weeks time left, right? 420. Not just now the international holiday for, you know, little extracurricular activities, but more so in line with what people are looking for in the crypto space. It's now the Bitcoin halving. That's kind of what we got going on. So appreciate you guys stopping out. We got this 50 plus people live in the chat. Make sure you guys all smash that like button. And we got nothing in the comments, nothing to go off of. So I'd like to get into some of your guys' thoughts and takes. And if you guys have anything out there you want to know, feel free to drop it down below. And also subscribe if you have not yet done so. We talk crypto every single day here on the channel. So welcome in, everyone, and let's get going, okay? We're going to talk a little about some of these you know, we're going to get into some meme coin plays that I'm on a little later on. But I want to talk more so about Bitcoin. I want to talk some more about the Solana outage. Have you guys been having any holdups within Solana, within their slowdown? I know there's a lot of congestion at the top. That was a big concern for recent times. Yes, no, maybe. All right. Anyways, we'll switch gears. No worries. I was trying to get into your guys' plays a little bit more so than mine. But the crypto that's been going absolutely nuts, for those of you that are out there, if you're in the Doge, SHIB, any of the meme coins out there, what's been hot lately, for those of you who do not know, are the base chain cryptos. That seems to be the next up and coming move. We're seeing that with the likes of Brett on Base. That's been a project that I got in around a $500,000 market cap. I think it was a little bit below 400,000, but it moved so quick. I honestly did not, couldn't keep up with where it was headed, and now we're brushing on $1 billion in that one. So that's been exciting. Couple launches coming about, pre-sales that I'm into. If you guys have any pre-sales that you want to drop down below, let me know what's going on with that. I'll try to dive into those, let you know if I know anything about those ones that will be launching. But outside of that, another story to talk about, Cardano outside the top 10. We're seeing ADA just right now bouncing back into that 10 spot. We saw, Avalanche has been just hovering around there. SHIB was in the top 10. Now they're just slightly below it. Dogecoin in that 8 spot. XRP still holding tight at 34 billion within the 6 hole within market cap. Solana on a little bit of a pullback. They just got below BNB. BNB's been actually kind of crazy. There's actually a meme coin launching on BNB that I just got into the pre-sale last night actually, and I'm very fascinated to see what happens with that one. A lot of people who trade on BNB, let me know below in the comments if you guys actually do a lot of BNB. It's almost like a maxi effect. A lot of people simply just trade on BNB and they don't participate on the other side. Some people do both. But this is kind of this is going to be an interesting one. We got Katamoto. That's a new one coming about. So I just got into that pre-sale last night actually. Katamoto. Have any of you guys heard about that one? But yeah, so welcome, LOL, live in the chat. We want to know more about ICP, okay? ICP is an interesting one, right? From what they're doing from a tech standpoint, 19th in total market cap. They've been on a steady descension, descending down that top list, right? We've seen them kind of been a little bit on a pullback, up 13% on the month. If we look into how they've been doing, though, for those of you that were able to buy ICP down around $10, obviously you're going to be up a pretty substantial amount of money right now. But this is something where, they had their run up, right? You could have got ICP under $3 just basically back in last fall. I mean, this was absolutely crazy. Seeing that run up, the hype, it's a very strong community, all right? There's a lot of FUD surrounding ICP within a lot of VC backing. If you've heard Crypto George talk about it a little bit on his channel, he's not going to endorse ICP just due to that VC backing and how that could affect the charts. So that's pretty much all I got on that. But I love what they're doing from a tech perspective, so on and so forth. That's definitely a strong candidate for a huge run up. I mean, if they were able to see that ascension from $3, $18, and they're still in the top 25, just slightly outside of that. I mean, I look for ICP to possibly make a nice run in the next bull cycle for sure. But be careful because of the VC backing for sure. Not financial advice, but those are just my thoughts involving ICP. Welcome into the chat, guys. Make sure you all smash that like button. Please give me some thumbs up. Double tap the screen. And always, let's get this discussion going down below in the comments. I'll try to show you guys a little bit right now what we're looking at on my screen. Just got the crypto bubbles up as we look at the top 10 list. Like we were talking about, ICP down here, just edging out in that 19th spot. But a couple of ones I'm looking at to make moves. So in my personal strategy and whatnot is XRP, I think Cardano. Both of those cryptos really haven't seen a run up, right? And a lot of people think, okay, yeah, they're dead cryptos, they're going to zero. I don't see it that way. I think they have some gas in the tank. I think all crypto is going to get a pump from this halving event. But like I said, historically, we've always seen Bitcoin hit all-time highs a little over a year after the halving event. So it's going to be fascinating to see where we get to this go round because, like you all are aware, we had Bitcoin all-time highs before the halving event just recently. So kind of what we got going on. Welcome in, guys. For those of you that have not yet done so, drop your comments down below. Let's get some discussion going here on the lunch break. What cryptos are you guys on? People are in and out of this chat. But right now, we've only had one person drop a crypto down below in the list. So it's kind of been a little cold. I don't get it. Maybe it's a red market. Maybe nobody cares. We got some other big crypto news. We have the Coinbase, those proceedings going on. within that recent SEC. I guess you'd call it a victory, right? The judge sided with them. Also, we have the likes of Doge Days coming up for you Dogecoin people out there. 420. That's coinciding with the Bitcoin halving, so it'll be fascinating to see if we can get some steam from that as well. Dogecoin's one that I'm betting on to go and have an insane pump in that at least 1.5 to 3x. Boca, welcome in, man. Yeah, or we have seen Friends actually just took some profits in that. Forgive me. I got into Friends a little bit ago. Pretty much. Oh man, where were they? It was on launch. I think it was just a little sprinkle, but yeah, I know. I know a lot of people have been getting into Friends. Base chain cryptos, man, they have been going absolutely insane. But yeah, those are my two plays right now on base. The only two base chain, there actually is three, but the big bags I have are with Friends and within Bread on Base. Those, I mean, I could pull up. I'll actually do it. Give them a little shout out here. Thanks for dropping that down below. Tom66, welcome into the chat. Let me get to that one here in a second. I do want to show you guys this play on the base side of the game. Okay. I don't know if you guys heard that. There was a giant airplane just flew right over my house. Yeah, so this is Friends. Look at this pump. Look at this pump. I mean, this was a crazy launch here on base chain. I bought in pretty much right here. So, with this nice little green little escalator, we got some house money going on. So, a little bit of profit taking right here, which is expected above 4 cents. It's a problem with crypto, though. If you go to bed, you really miss out. I mean, we brushed almost 5 cents within Friends, and it's a crazy community. I was in the Telegram the other day, and we got over 1,000, 1,200 holders, 1.67 million market cap. That'd be nice if Friends could get up to like a 10 million market cap. But yeah, I mean, over 4 cents, definitely a crypto that's had a nice run up here as of recent on the base chain side of crypto. And then I'll show you guys my other one while we're here in the DEX. This is what we're looking at. Look, for those of you that have not got on Brett on base, I mean, have you seen a more beautiful chart than this? I mean, I hate to tell you this. We are almost up to a $1 billion market cap. And just look at the daily. I got to show you the daily on this. We were almost at a $1 billion market cap. And this is the daily candlesticks. I mean, that is just super bullish. And like we're looking at it, I mean, this is 65,000 holders. 65,000 holders. And we have a $781 million market cap. And I'm thinking about buying more. I have people calling me all the time, asking me, hey, what's Brett? What's Brett on base? And, that's just something where I'm just super bullish on it. One of the bigger guys involved with Brett on base, one of the bigger, I guess, early on investors that is very vocal about it, open speaking about it on some of the socials on X. Very, very transparent. He has a huge bag. He bought in early. I don't know if he sniped it, but he got in super early. And we look at the market caps here. I'm going to show you real quick again. We look at the market caps. It's a $782 million market cap. Okay. So what I wanted to share with you is every meme coin, I think it was just a post that guy I was talking about, he made this post on X. Okay. Every crypto meme coin, right, that has done $1 billion has done $3 billion. So I would gladly take a 3x from here. I mean, that is just a great little bit of a story here. Shout out to Brett, though. It's going to be an interesting one. I think they're doing a VC chat in their Telegram, so I'm probably going to tune into that. So unfortunately, all these meme coins like to pump overnight, you know, and some of us here in different time zones, we got to get some sleep. You can't just constantly trade crypto. You go nuts. But Tom66 back into Doge. I want to pull that up for you guys. I just talked about Doge in a video earlier. I'll pull up the chart so you guys can see. Yeah, so this is what we're looking at with Doge. I mean, definitely bullish as well. I mean, look at that consolidation. We had all that time down there. Boom. And I mean, I'll measure it off for you. I mean, what's there not to like about Dogecoin where we are at right now, right? A little over a month, up 127%. So loving me some Doge. We talk Dogecoin every single day on the channel. But yeah, I mean, it's very, I'm sorry about the focus here with the screen, but right here, this is something, these moving averages are kind of all coming together. Boom, boom, boom. So right now it's kind of the turning point. The trading indicator is flashing momentum down. So will we get a little bit more of a pullback? Maybe, but nothing to be concerned about for me and my holdings. Like I said, if we get below that 12 cents level, that's when you got to realize Dogecoin's cooling off. But for me, it's kind of right here at that 17 cents. That's the next support where, you know, I'm looking at Dogecoin, and anything above that, where we're at right now, we're just kind of hovering around 18, 19, 20 cents. Just going to be basically, you know, normal every day for me. It's nothing to be alarmed, nothing to be worried about. That's just how I'm treating it. I am probably more in the bullish camp within Doge. Something weird's going on. This came out of nowhere, and it trades very eerily similar to Bitcoin, as we all know. So with the Bitcoin halving, you know, that's something that obviously shed some light on. But I'm just a little bit more bullish. I think Dogecoin can get 30 cents very quickly, and closely related to this halving. It would not even shock me if Dogecoin got above 40, 50 cents this year. But that's me. I mean, I don't have that crystal ball, so I'm just giving you guys my take. If you want to talk crypto, that's my take. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all stopping by and taking time out of your day. For those of you that did not subscribe yet, make sure you all do. For those of you that are subscribed, appreciate you guys. But anything else popping off? Anything you want to talk about in the chat? Touched on a lot of stuff right now. Boca, thanks for stopping out. I always see you around. Appreciate it. But yeah, it's been a wild one, man. I think I'm averaging about 4 or 5 hours of sleep. Kids, crypto, meme coins, no time zones, different time zones. It's a grind out there for sure. So hope you all are doing well. We had over 60, 70 people, I think, in this live stream. So that's awesome. Crypto's buzzing. Kind of a lull though. I think sometimes you attract some different audiences that they don't necessarily have. They're in the wrong spot, I guess, the wrong live stream. They just kind of pop in. So didn't really get enough comments to keep this one going, but like I said, appreciate you all stopping out. I'm gonna sign off. Wanted to give you guys a quick live stream, give you guys some thoughts, some perspective, answer some questions. I like to do this every single day that I can. It's a fun way to connect with you guys. So appreciate it. I'm going to sign off now, and we'll see you guys all in the next live and or on the channel. Check out my videos, subscribe. Have a great day. Peace.